Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to reset password on your LinkedIn account. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our LinkedIn app. Once you tap open your LinkedIn app here, in order to reset your password, you'll have to make sure that you are logged out of your account. On the very below, you can see an option forgot password written in blue letters. Here you'll have to tap on forgot password. Now here you'll have to type in the email address or phone number that you have used while creating your LinkedIn account. Then tap on next. Here you'll receive a 6-digit code on the email address that you have just typed in. So go back and tap open your email. Once you open your email, here as you can see the code has been sent. From here you'll have to copy this code here. Then go back to your LinkedIn page and type the code here. Once you have done typing in the code here, tap on submit. Then here you'll have to type in a new password that you can remember easily and is secure enough. Then tap on submit. And after that, you'll have successfully reset your password on LinkedIn app. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to reset password on LinkedIn app. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.